Hello, my dear friends. Do you feel that in our life we are just living our life and we feel that there is something lacking in our life? It may be health, it may be something else. If we are healthy, we feel that we have got less money, or we have got this problem or that problem. So we are not happy with our life. We are not satisfied with our life. We are just living. We may be successful in views of others. Others may think that we are healthy and we are successful in our life, but at the bottom of the heart, we feel that we are not as happy as we should be. We are not satisfied with our life. So is there any way out there? Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about this, as to how we can redesign our life, how we can make our life more beautiful and more successful. Good, Namaskar. I am Mahesh Rana and I am a life coach. In this video today, I am going to discuss about the very important topic, that how we can make our life more awesome. So, dear friends, what happens that uh, every life, everybody has got different aspect in their life. For example, a vehicle, a car is driven on four wheels. Similarly, our life also depends on four very important wheels, four important aspects. We have got four pillars, basically, we can say, in our life. So, these four pillars are very important for our life, and we should consider them very important. And if any one of them is disturbed, is not taken care of, our life will be disturbed and we shall not be able to live our life fully. So, what are these four pillars? First pillar, you can say, it is health. So, are we healthy? Are we living a healthy life? Is our body maintained? Are we able to do our work properly? So, just think about this. If you have got any flaws in this aspect, in this pillar, if you are not able to take care of your health, just make sure that you start working towards your health. It is the most important one, and you should start immediately to improve your health. Whatever you can do, you should do to improve your health. Second pillar is work. Work means whatever activity you are doing during the daytime, from morning to evening, whatever you are doing, that is known as work. So some of you may ask that, if a housewife is working in her home, then is that coming under the category of work? I would say yes. Whatever activity, I am saying, whatever activity you are doing, that comes under work. Whether it is your job, whether it is your business, whether it is the housework, or if a mother is taking care of her child, then that is also work. So basically, how we are working, how much interest we are taking in our work, and how we are uh, performing in our work, that is the pillar number two. So we should try to give our 100% to our work. Whatever we are doing in our daytime, we should be satisfied with that. We should get a sense of achievement from our work. That is step number two. If we take care of this part, our pillar number two will be strong and solid. So take care of your work part. Whatever you are doing in your job, in your business, in your day-to-day activities, just be sincere and put your 100% effort. You would find in very short time that you will feel more energetic, your life will be more smooth. Pillar number 3 is, you can say, money. It is very important. It is rightly said that money is not everything, but for everything we need money. So money is very important part and is a important pillar of our life. So we should have enough money to have abundance in our life. We should be able to enjoy everything. We should be able to fulfill our all the needs. So money should be taken care of in whatever state you are. I am making several videos on how to earn money, how to become financially independent. You will be finding these videos later in my channel, so you can subscribe to that in advance so that you don't miss out on those videos. So money part you should take care. Just work on that. Just start working on your money part. Save more money, earn more, reduce your expenses, try to build financial security for you, try to save money, invest that money, try to create passive income. So work on the third pillar, that is money. Balance it. And now the fourth part, the fourth pillar, we call it play. Play means not playing. Of course, that is also a part of that. Play means the activity which you feel that you get a pleasure in that activity. It may be a hobby, it may be playing guitar, it may be singing songs, it may be doing some activity, writing, singing, dancing, or playing cricket, or anything in which you feel pleasure. Dear friends, this is the most neglected part in our life. As a mature person, we feel that we are working, we are going to a job, and we are earning money, and that's all. We don't spare time for our play time, for our play activities. Just focus on this is very important. Just spare some time, if not daily, then at least weekly you should spare some time for your play activity. By this, your pillar number 4, that is play, that will be it will become more strong. And if you start working on these 4 pillars, you will find that your life will become awesome. You will find more videos on this topic in uh, future from my channel, so you can just subscribe it. And thank you very much for this support you are giving to me. Thank you so much.